If you had the gift of time and financial freedom, what would your life look like?
How would this freedom affect your home life?
Your family relationships?
Or even your passion for living each day?
Would you feel more peace when the bills come each month?
Would you finally have the time to strengthen your family bonds?
Would you even have more belief and hope for a more secure future?
Here at Freedom for Families Online, our passion is helping your family and others just like you from all over the world
receive the peace, security, and freedom that comes from a stable income.
That can be achieved right from your very own home.
We know that financial struggle can be incredibly difficult.
And can even be the reason that some families are torn apart.
That's why we created this movement.
To help your family create financial peace
and the ability to own your own time.
So you have room to focus on the things that are most important to you.
So again, if you had the gift of time and financial freedom, what would your life look like?
How could things be different for your family?
If you're looking for a similar solution to your financial situation,
take a closer look at our incredible system
that is helping families like yours all over the globe.
Because you deserve the family life that you've always desired.
And the freedom that comes with it.
Click on the link below because your family's freedom is worth fighting for.